Oh, here you are, face to face in this trashy bar. Another glass and I am going places. Makes me laugh about the irony of everything. I like the way you're thinking, I don't really care.
Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing a little bit of everything. If you guys are new to my channel, my name is Candis and I love cleaning, lifestyle things, and organizing. I also love home decor and I love beauty. So I kind of try to mix it all up into this channel. So if you think you might love things like that, I would love for you to subscribe. I also am a military spouse and I have two small boys, ages 6 and almost 4. Let me show you guys the things that I purchased, and it's mainly faux florals. I love faux florals. I love decorating with them. I think they're just easy to change out, and especially like if you want to go from spring to summer to fall. I do love real flowers, but I like the longevity of having a fake flower. Anyway, so if you guys are interested, just keep watching. I got these from Michael's. These were $7.99 a piece and they were 70% off each stem. A lot of the same one always looks really good. So I got these and they're like a really pale, like natural pink looking color. Always look at the stems. I like them to look a little bit realistic, especially if they are all gonna show. These are another natural pink, and I like how the leaves are looking like they're starting to turn brown, like they're gonna die soon. I want to mix them with these bright pink ones that I got from Hobby Lobby. I think I'm gonna put these in this jar right here. I got this from Target. I will try to link everything down below for you. So I'm pretty sure you guys have seen these before in Target. These are from the dollar spot and they were like $5 a piece. And there's like white on the bottom. For my cherry blossoms, I'm going to put them in this, and I will link this if I can find it online. I got this Spanish moss because I have a faux fiddle leaf tree in my living room and I never got anything to stuff into the pot. So I bought 2 bags of this from Walmart. They were like $6 a piece. Oh, since these are here, I'm gonna show you guys. I needed these to go into my sofa table in my living room because I decided to put all of my kids' board games and card games and stuff into these bins down here in the living room instead of upstairs in their room. And that's what I'm going to show you guys in this video too, how I'm going to organize their board games and stuff. I couldn't find 2 of the same one in the size that I needed at Home Goods. Hopefully that'll be okay for now. But yeah, I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to put these flowers into these jars and then we'll be back.
I like the way you're thinking, I don't really care about the music on the dance floor. I don't really mind, all the smoke is in the bathroom. I don't care at all, baby, you got my attention. So you were saying, oh no, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world.
I just make sure that some of the leaves are showing, and I'll probably mess with this a little bit more. I do like these. I think these are adorable. I think I'm gonna put these in the guest bedroom. I just kind of bent the flower a little bit. So here is the arrangement right now. This is that little sofa table. I'm gonna switch these striped and polka dot boxes out for those wicker ones I showed you guys. I feel like I like this here because over here I have these 2 huge lamps, and I feel like if I put the plants in the middle, it'll be just too much. So I left my real little bonsai tree here. I got this from IKEA. I need to clean that out. Hey guys, what's up? It's actually the next day, and today I'm going to be organizing my kids' board games and card games. All of their games have been upstairs in their closet, and like at the top of their closet in these little bins. So I figured I'd find a way to organize them and keep them downstairs. I am going to be organizing with these mesh plastic zipper pouches that I found on Amazon. I got this idea from Pinterest, so hopefully it'll work out. I want to get rid of all the boxes and just put the game itself in these little pouches, and I'll just label them or either cut the logo off of the box and put it on here. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. Let's get started. up using all of the pouches except 2. Okay, so here is the end result for both bins. I figured I wouldn't have enough large ones to hold like these things, but the good thing is like this game right here has a storage compartment for all the little pieces, so I don't have to put this in a pouch. So I just kind of put it down in the side right there. So I use this bin for all the larger games, and then these are for all the smaller pouches. Whatever the game's named, I cut them out and I just use packing tape to tape it up there. I just put the game in there along with the instructions, and then I use these smaller pouches for the cards that go with those. So each pack that has like little tiny pieces, like the Go Fish game, I have another pouch in there to hold all the fish so they're not like all over the place. I have more room for more games. These are just like card games I put in here. Connect 4, Candyland. Alright, so right now I just have these bins in here, and they're like, these are empty, so I'm going to put these in our office. This side I'm going to do the same. So I don't need those anymore. I'm just going to... So this is another Amazon purchase I wanted to go ahead and share with you guys since I'm already in here filming. These came in a 2-pack for like $15.99. There's a ton of colors to choose from, and I love all the little pom-poms around it. It fits your average square decorative pillow, I think 20 by 20. I'm gonna order some more. I want some in the guest bedroom, and I want some in my bedroom. I feel like pillowcases are so much easier to manage rather than just trying to find somewhere to store your pillows that you're tired of looking at. These were actually fall pillows, and I took the pillowcases off and threw them in my fall storage box, and I just put these on. Alright guys, so we're going to switch gears just a little bit, but we're still going to stay on the decorating topic for this video. Opening up a box from partydash.com. They reached out to me wanting to know if I wanted to receive one of their party boxes, and at this point my son's birthday was only a few days away, so I went online and I chose the theme that I wanted, and they sent one out to me, and I am so excited about it. I can't wait for you guys to see how everything turned out. Party Dash is a company that creates these themed birthday boxes or party boxes. What you'll do is go to the website, you'll choose the theme that you want. Within that theme, there's 3 levels. You can choose a basic, a middle, which is called the epic, and then a legendary package, which is every single thing that you see in the pictures, including the balloon arch and some other stuff. It saves time and money and stress of even planning a party. Once you choose your theme and your level, then you'll choose the amount of guests that you're going to have so they can send you the right amount of everything. So as you can see, I chose the Shoot for the Moon theme, and I think it's adorable. My son is turning 4, and I know he's gonna love it. This is actually the basic package, which I think is called the Blast, which comes with a few different sizes of plates, napkins, favor bags, straws, cups. It even comes with these biodegradable utensils. So on the day of the party, Party Dash actually surprised me with the legendary package. They upgraded me, so I'm gonna unbox it now and get started with setting up.
Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lacking everlasting ego. I guess it never hit you. Our beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different.
So the balloon arch actually took the longest out of everything because you have to blow up every single balloon. And of course we didn't have a pump, so I got everybody to chip in. They were happy to help, and it probably took about 30 minutes from start to finish with the arch. It was all worth it though when you see it at the end. It turned out so cute.
Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes.
So here's how everything turned out. I thought it was really fun watching everything come together. It was really easy to set up as well. I'm using this table right here to put all the party supplies on. These are the photo props, which I think are adorable. It comes with a bunch of them, and I just have them sitting in a container that I already had. So I already knew the box includes cupcake toppers, so I ordered some plain cupcakes. They're like metallic. There's like little moon men, shooting stars, and space shuttles. These are the plates and napkins and straws and utensils. I only set out a little bit at a time. So that's it for today's video. I will have Party Dash linked down below, as well as a 10% off discount code for you guys. If you enjoyed it, leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.
If you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on.